po sa Lake Photos and Film. Today, pupunta tayo dun sa Expo 2020. I think 2 weeks ago, meron tayong ibinlog tungkol dito sa Lake Expo 2020 Lake. So sabi nila, bakit daw gano'n ang pangalan ng lake na yun? Actually, parang in-honor lang yung event na to, itong Expo 2020, which is last year pa to, no? Last year dapat to, because of the pandemic, hindi siya natuloy. Pero matutuloy siya this year. And today is the first day na inopen siya sa public. So this is the first day. Actually, hindi natin alam kung ano makikita natin doon. Ang nasa website lang, ipakikita nila yung basta basahin nyo na lang, ha. Yan yun. Dadaan lang natin si Kim. Kasama natin si Kim. At nandito tayo sila sa lugar nila. So guys, we are here in Expo 2020 area, no? So makikita nyo ngayon kung gaano kaganda to. Actually, 3 pavilion to. Isang pavilion pa lang ang open, yung tinatawag nyo ng sustainability. Basta yon. Yung pavilion na yon ang open ngayon.
Thank you. You're welcome. Hi guys.
So ayan, thermal tayo ngayon, guys.
Hello. Welcome to Expo.
So ito, na thermal na tayo. So yung social distancing tsaka yung mga sanitizing meron dito kompleto. So after 20 minutes papasok tayo. Right, the opening na kaya maraming tao. Kapila talaga siya. Makikita niyo, no, marami siyang solar panel. At siyempre magtatanong tayo dito at kakausap tayo na isang mag-i-explain sa atin kung ano to o ano ba ang ginagawa ng mga solar panel na to dito.
Hello.
Can you tell us about this solar panel?
Yes, absolutely. So you're about to enter the Sustainability Pavilion. We have the canopy, which is also covered with solar panels, and we have these e-trees that you can see around you. So there are 18 e-trees, and all together, all of the solar panels on both the e-trees and the canopy is 12,000 square meters.
Okay.
You can also see the ground is kind of a very neutral color.
Yeah.
So the e-trees are the best example, the solar panels are on both sides so that the sun can reflect off this surface and bounce back.
Okay.
So it gives them 20% more
More
energy.
power, energy.
Exactly.
Yeah.
And then also, they are designed to follow the sunlight, like sunflowers.
Oh.
So they actually move and rotate with the sun.
Oh, that's cool.
Yeah, absolutely.
So if you have a time lapse here, you can see this one, but you cannot see now, no?
No,
Because
no, no.
it's really
But it moves very slowly.
very slowly,
Very,
no?
very slowly, yeah.
So all the power here is from this.
Correct, yes. It's a fully sustainable, so everything that you see has a purpose. Even the reeds behind you are actually filtering the grey water of the building and purifying it. Everything around. So this building is capable of generating all of its own energy, all of its own water, and it's designed, because the majority of it is actually underground,
Yeah.
it's designed to stay cool and ventilated in a natural way, so you don't have to have so much energy to power AC, etc.
Okay, thank you. So when was this open? This is
So this is the first day that it's open to the general public. We're only opening this one pavilion as a taster of what's going to come.
yeah, but this will continue.
This will continue until Ramadan, so 10th of April.
Okay.
We will also open 2 more pavilions, the Mobility Pavilion and the Opportunity Pavilion. So in a few weeks, the Mobility Pavilion will open, and then a few weeks after that, the Opportunity Pavilion will open. All 3 will be open for a couple of weeks, and then everything will close for Ramadan,
yeah.
and the whole site will open again on the 1st of October.
Yeah.
So it's just to give you an idea of like a tiny, tiny taste of what's to come.
So this is only the tip of the iceberg, huh? What
No,
we'll see now.
Not even, like
Not
literally
even,
the
huh?
tip of the tip of the iceberg.
All right. So thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank
No
you.
problem at all.
Thank you.
Have a great day.
Thank you. Alright guys, so nakita niyo yung ano dito, no, yung labas. At saka ito, sinasabi nga nito na kausap natin kanina is just siguro mga 2% pa lang daw to, no? Kung ano talaga makikita mo. At ito ay ano, it's composed of 3 pavilions. Itong ito na nga, yung hindi natin matuwid, ito ang open. Ito yung labas niya. So, pupunta tayo dun sa loob. Tingnan natin.
Like mermaid, yeah?
Ha?
You feel yourself you're a dolphin, yeah?
It's cool?
Yeah, it's cool. This is, come on, this.
Under the ocean. Okay. So there's water? Oh, this cool, man. So, guys, ito para tayo nasa ano daw dito, under the ocean. So, tingnan natin dito. Tingnan natin anong meron dito. So dito naman tayo sa Under Forest, no? Under the Forest. Tingnan natin kung ano naman yung kanilang dito. Okay? Thank you. So you have to watch your step. Oh my God. Listen, nakamit siya. Ito tayo dito. Ano ba yan?
Bakit dito tayo sa taas?
Okay, sana nag-enjoy kayo dito sa ating video. At sa mga gustong pumunta dito, no, pwede kayo pumunta dito. Ito po ay opposite lang ng DIP. Jebel Ali pa rin siya. At pwede kayo magpunta dito. Sa gate meron siyang 25 dirham na entrance, and then pwede rin sa magpa-book kayo, no. This one will run until before Ramadan. Maraming pong salamat sa inyong pagsuporta sa League Photos and Film, dahil dito hindi ka mag-isa. Bye-bye!